Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on spell check on Android. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, for this tutorial I'll be using Infinix Note 11. First thing to do is to go to your phone and open up your settings app. When you open up your settings app, then scroll up onto the last option where you find system. Then just click on that system. When you click on the system guys, it will bring you to this page. Then under this page you find a lot of options. You have languages and inputs and all that. Just go ahead and click on the languages and inputs. It will now direct you to this page. Then under this page, go ahead and click on screen keyboard. When you click on screen keyboard, it will also bring you to this page. Then go ahead and click on Gboard, which is the first option. When you click on Gboard, it will direct you again to this page. Now scroll up until you get to text correction. When you get to text correction guys, go ahead and click on text correction. It will now bring you to this page. Under this page, just go ahead and search for spell check. You can see it is the second to the last option here. Now spell check, just go ahead and click on the button at the front. This spell check mark misspelled words with red underlines while typing. So guys, that is how to turn on spell check on Android. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and turn the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.